In the evolving landscape of agricultural practices, the modernization of feed manufacturing emerges as a critical challenge. This sector, pivotal to the agricultural industry, demands a revolution through the integration of advanced automation and digitalization. Imagine a state-of-the-art facility where every cog and wheel is optimized for maximum efficiency and precision. This is not just a vision but a reality, thanks to the implementation of sophisticated automation systems. These systems, powered by Programmable Logic Controllers and the TIA Portal software suite, epitomize the Industry 4.0 concept, where machines operate with unprecedented autonomy. The core of this transformation lies in the meticulous design of automation logic, ensuring that the production line adapts seamlessly to fluctuating demands. This facility, a beacon of innovation, showcases how digital industrial automation and precision manufacturing technology can redefine traditional practices, setting a new standard for efficiency, quality, and adaptability in feed production. At the core of this advanced feed production facility are Programmable Logic Controllers, or PLCs, in the TIA Portal software suite. Imagine a brain that not only thinks but also communicates with every machine in the factory. That's your PLC. It's programmed with intricate logic to manage the entire production line, ensuring efficiency and adaptability. Now, the TIA Portal is the environment where this magic happens. It's where you program, configure, and monitor your PLCs. Think of it as the command center, allowing you to orchestrate the symphony of automation. Here's why that matters. With PLCs and TIA Portal, you're not just automating, you're creating a responsive, intelligent system that can adapt to changing demands in real time. And here's why that matters. At the core of this facility's automation system is the integration of Siemens technology. This involves the deployment of advanced Programmable Logic Controllers, or PLCs, and the TIA Portal software suite. Imagine the PLCs as the brain of the operation, programmed with complex logic to manage every aspect of the production line. The TIA Portal, on the other hand, is your interface to this brain, allowing for detailed programming, monitoring, and diagnostics. The integration is seamless, ensuring that machines communicate and operate with minimal human intervention. This setup not only enhances operational efficiency but also introduces a level of precision previously unattainable in feed manufacturing. The use of Siemens technology ensures adaptability to various production scenarios, maintains high standards of quality control, and minimizes downtime through predictive maintenance algorithms. This is the backbone of our facility's success, demonstrating the power of digital industrial automation. The initial setup of the automation system is crucial for its effective operation. Begin by accessing the TIA Portal and creating a new project. Navigate to the Hardware tab, where you'll configure the PLC settings. Set the communication parameters to match your network requirements, typically a baud rate of 19,200 for legacy devices. Ensure the station settings are correctly configured for your PLC model. Next, move to the Software tab to upload the PLC program. Remember, the Keep Alive setting should be enabled to maintain a stable connection. For the Siemens technology integration, focus on the Profibus network configuration, ensuring the GSD file is correctly loaded. This setup is the backbone of the facility's automation, allowing for seamless machine communication and operation. And here's why that matters. A well-configured system minimizes downtime and maximizes efficiency, directly impacting the overall production quality. Now, let's dive into the advanced nuances of optimization and handling edge cases in our feed production facility. Imagine you're fine-tuning a high-performance engine. Every parameter and setting must be meticulously calibrated for peak performance. In our system, optimizing the PLC logic is crucial. For instance, reducing the scan time of your PLC program can significantly enhance the responsiveness of your automation system. To achieve this, minimize the use of complex instructions and avoid unnecessary loops. Another key aspect is handling edge cases, such as sudden power outages or unexpected machine failures. Implementing robust error handling routines within your PLC program ensures that the system can gracefully recover from such events. Consider using redundant systems or fail-safe mechanisms to maintain production continuity. Remember, the devil is in the details. Small adjustments in your PLC programming can lead to substantial improvements in efficiency and reliability. Keep refining your approach, and you'll unlock the full potential of your automation system.